In the previous lecture, we learnt about data hiding.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
We learnt that if a property, or which we call attribute, is declared preceded with double underscore, then it becomes private attribute to the class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. Okay. Now see, similarly we can have a function also which can be hidden from rest of the program. That means which will be private. That function will be private to the class. It cannot access from outside the class. And here it goes, like suppose I happen to take a function def. Suppose the name is message, and I simply write here print hi, this is Anand Mahajan. Okay, so this is a simple message which has been written within the definition of the function message, but I will precede the name of this function with double underscore. Now it has become private to this class. That means this is be called only from within this class, not from outside. Let's go to this, and what I do is here I write p. This is the program which is outside the class, of course, and here I try to call this of mine and we will see what happens. Control Shift F. Now there will be an error in the program. Yes, here you can see it says object has no attribute double underscore message, whereas the class has got this this function, this method with the name double, and I am trying to access it from outside the class. From this place it is giving me an error. Why? Because this method is private to the class. It has been hidden from rest of the program. Okay, it can be accessed only from within the class. Let me show you one thing. What I do here is, I am within the class, within the class member function, and from this place I happen to call this double underscore message, this function, and you will see that there won't be any problem. Let me put it into comments, which was outside the class. Now again, let me tell you, show function is very much part of the class. It is member function of the class. From this member function of the class I am calling this private of the class. It will be called without any problem. Why? Because I am calling it from within the class. It is private to the class. Any member of the class can invoke it. Control Shift F10. Okay, so poj dot show. Okay, message. Okay, I should have written self dot double underscore message, because I'm working within the, and is just reference to the current class. Control Shift F. Yeah, as you can see, the control when went to the show function, it displayed item X. At the same time, here we called the message function which got this message printed on the screen. Hi, this is Anand Mahajan. So again, let me tell you that what do we